Welcome to my channel, Cleveland Sports Card Investor. Here we are going to open up a pack of 2021 Prizm and see what we can get for our first video. So here we are located in Cleveland, and let's see what we can get with this pack here. So fresh pack of Prizm. As the first video, I do have another channel, but that channel, you haven't been putting much on there, so I thought I'd start this one since I am here in Cleveland. So let's see what we could do. Here we got the first card is a Rock Ya-Sin, Indianapolis Colts, Corey Davis, New York Jets, DJ Chark, Jaguars, Travis Kelce. That's a nice card, as he was just in the Super Bowl. So it looks like we got some kind of cards in there that look decent coming up. Melvin Gordon, Barry Sanders, Drew Brees. So we're just going to open up this pack here, as we did. Plaxico Burress, Antonio Brown, De'Ami Brown rookie. Turn that sucker around. Aaron Donald. Ooh, not much in this pack. So Aaron Donald and a Brandon Ayuk hype man. So nothing really good there, but that's our first pack. So as you can see, we got cards everywhere. There we go. So, and we'll do some more videos. Thanks for watching.